Welcome students. Now on the basis of the laws of exponents, we will solve now these two questions. How to solve it? First question is 0 raised to power a raised to power 0, b raised to power minus 2, its whole power is 5, to a raised to power minus 1. So what we will do according to the law of exponents, if power to the power is given, so powers will multiply. So here you can write a raised to power 0 multiply 5, b raised to power minus 2 multiply 5 over 2 a raised to power minus 1. So here it will become a raised to power 0, b raised to power minus 10 over 2 a raised to power minus 1. So here this value is, you can write power 0 power is greater, means the power of the numerator is greater. So what you can do, a 0 minus 1, and in denominator there is no b power, means variable b is not given. So what you can do, you can bring it down to make it positive, b raised to power 10 2, so it will become a raised to power 1 over 2 b raised to power 10. In the same another question we are having here, this, so here power of this is 1, power of 2 1. So what we will do here, this power of 2 is minus 1, so and here bases are same, powers will get subtracted. So 2 raised to power 1 minus 1, here x raised to power 2, bases are same, powers will subtract here also, but here numerator's powers is smaller, denominator's power is greater. So we will bring y 2 minus 2, so it will becomes 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 x raised to power 0, y raised to power 2 plus 2, so 2 raised to power 2 multiplies 1 over y raised to power 4. So here you can write 4 over y raised to power 4. Dear students, we are having now sixth question. If a is equal to 2 raised to power m, b is equal to 2 raised to power m plus 1, then show that 8a cube over b square is equals to 2 raised to power m plus 1. So let's see. We'll take this one, 8a cube over b square. This is our LHS, so you can write LHS. In this LHS you can place values. Put A and B. So if you will put here values, so it will becomes 8. A cube means the value of A is 2 raised to power m, its whole cube, and in place of B, 2 raised to power m plus 1, its whole power 2. Now we will solve it. 8 power to the power will multiply 2 raised to power 3 m, and here also it will multiply 2 into m plus 1. Now you will solve it. It will becomes here 8 2 raised to power 3m over 2 raised to power 2m plus 2 is equal to 8 2 raised to power 3m 2. Now it is 2 raised to power m 2m plus 2. So what we will do, we will break it, 2m into 2 raised to power 2. Now you can see bases are same, powers will add, again it will give you same. So next what you can do, here 8 2 raised to power 3m, and here 2 raised to power 2 means 4, 2 raised to power 2 m. So here it will cancel, this here will left 2, and the bases are same, powers will subtract. 2 power 1 multiply 2 raised to power 3m minus 2m, 2 raised to power 1, it will 2 raised to power m. Now bases are same, powers will add, it will become 2 raised to power m plus 1. So this is our question number 6. Next we will do the another question. This is our next question. X is equal to 2 raised to power k, y is equal to 2 raised to power k plus 3. So we need to find out the value of x over y. So see now, x over y, place values 2 raised to power k over 2 raised to power k plus 3. So what you can do here, take it above for solving it, because in divide bases are same, powers will get subtract. Or one thing you can do, this power is smaller, this is greater, so all will come, subtraction will happen in the denominator, upside you can keep 1. So 2 raised to power k plus 3, we can subtract k, we will get 1 over 2 raised to power k plus 3 minus k, this k and k cancels, so 1 over 2 raised to power 3, if you solve it you will get 1 over 8. So here the value of x over y is equal to 1 over 8. So here are two questions. In these two questions we need to simplify it, but in the first question what we will do here, 2 raised to power minus n, 8 raised to power 2n plus 1, 16 raised to power 2n, 4 raised to power 3n. So what we will do here, bases we will break up into the powers of 2. So see how to do what I am doing now. Here it is already in the base of 2 minus n, you can write 2 raised to power minus n. Here we can write 2 raised to power 3 whole power 2n plus 1. Here you can write 2 raised to power 4 whole power 2n, and here also you can write 2 raised to power 2. To 4 we can write 2 raised to power 2, 3n. So 2 raised to power minus n, here powers will get multiplied, so it will becomes 2 raised to power 3 into 2n plus 1 into, here it will become 2 raised to power 4 to the 8, 8 n over 2 will multiply, powers will multiply, it will become 2 raised to power 6 n. So next what you can do, multiply inside of this, same thing, same rest of things as it is you can copy. Here 2 raised to power 6n plus 3, 2 raised to power 8n, 2 raised to power 6n. So this is as a sum of powers, 2 raised to power 6n plus 3. So we can break it, 2 raised to power minus n. So we can write this 2 raised to power 6n into 2 raised to power 3, because bases are same, again powers will add, you will get this expression. 2 raised to power 8n over 2 raised to power 6n. In numerator you can see bases are same. So first of all you can add it. We'll add in numerator first. So base are same, we can write 8n plus 6n minus n, 2 raised to power 3, downside 2 raised to power 6, and base will add it, we will 14 minus 1. Here it will become 2 raised to power 13n over 2 raised to power 6n into 2 raised to power 3. So you can see here powers, bases are same, in divide powers will subtract. 2 raised to power 13n minus 6 and 2 raised to power 3, you will get here 2 raised to power 7 and into 2 raised to power 3, or we can write it 2 raised to power 7 n plus 3. That is the solution of this. Now the second part, we'll break these exponents into, we'll do the factors of these exponents. So how to do it, you can see here. We can write 2 raised to power n into 2 raised to power 4 minus 2 into 2 raised to power n. Here 2 into 2 raised to power n into 2 raised to power 3 plus, this is minus, downside is 1, you can invert it, it will become 2 raised to power plus 3. Upside you can take common, here we will take common 2 raised to power n common, inside 2 raised to power 4 minus 2, downside 2 raised to power n into 2 to 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 over 2 raised to power 3. So this and this cancel. So here 2 raised to power 4 means 16 minus 2. 2 multiply 2 raised to power 3 means 8 plus 1 over 8. Here will come 14 over 16 plus 1 over 8. LCM you can take 16. Here it will come 14 plus 8 divided 16, 2 times 2 1 is 2. So it is 16 over 16. 16 cancel 16, it will give you 1. So this was the question number 9 of simplify. In next video I will try to solve few more questions related to this. So thanks for watching.